Hey folks, mail call time. Let's get right to it. Here we go. Now I don't know what pen it is, but it's a pen. And I'm thinking the way it looks like, this is a pen I've been waiting for a little over 2 months, maybe 2.5 months. There it is. We'll talk more about this in the upcoming review. Thank you, my good friends. A lot of peace, a lot of love. How about some virtual hugs? Can you dig it? All right, my friends. Oh, by the way, hey. Spread the word. Larry's Fountain Pens on YouTube channel. And ask your friends, family, strangers to subscribe to my channel. And while they're at it, why don't they just go ahead and hit that little bell and that'll notify them when I load up a video. Later, folks, and as always, don't do this. Text and drive. That's a no-no. Don't be a moron! Later. Bye.